Hi everybody, hope you're alright. Bit of a common sense video. Right, as I told you over there, I had been at Reliant and I'd been to pick some pistons up. And, well, and here they are. Top motor, eh? So I picked these at pistons, that's head that was skimmed. I mean, what common sense video is, I'm just letting you know, like this weather's not best of weathers. Like, I mean, it's damp as you can see outside. Look, there's a seat cat there. She's got monk on. And so you've got obviously a lot of condensation. So I'm just like, everything's oiled up. That's what I'm trying to show you. I mean, I'll give you a better look in a minute because there's another bit I want to show you on that head. Because somebody's changed these guides and obviously they've got push rods to go through and they've choked over end up, which is not very good. But I'm just going to show you. Could be a little bit more careful and make a bit more. But these are pistons that have been done for Essex. Obviously, they're all they're brand new pistons, and you probably can't see from there. I'll show you in a bit, but that's how they work. They don't have a little end that's just into your conrod, but it actually pivots, and this is your oil hole here on your piston. That's how you get your control at that end. And like I say, I mean, you can see they're picking up just an element to. I mean, they'll be alright, you know, once they've got the shells in, but I'm just showing you. Well, you can even actually see, if you look at these boxes, that even got storage over years, that actually staples have actually gone a bit rusty. So bare steel, and this sort of weather's not perfect match, so make sure you've got plenty of oil splashed around. I mean, that's top and bottom. I mean, they're done by, what is it? It's RAS Engineering Limited. I mean, that's who does all my stuff. I mean, they're Sheffield, but they're actually moving to Rotherham very shortly. And they press these on. I mean, heat conrod up, press piston out. New gudgeon pin comes with new pistons, I think I showed you before. And then they just press back on. So these 6 are ready for that Essex build. And that's got TR4. I'm going into liners now because couldn't find no top pressure test. But it was just slightly hard, so just tell them to skim it over, so that's that resolved that part. But like you see, it's well lubricated up. So any problems, I'll grab camera anyway, and I'll show you this side, because this is what I want to show you. This is what things you've got to like watch out for. Just silly things, but this is, I mean, I just inherited this job and I've had to take it on to the next level, to be honest. So if you look here, see these guys, not done too bad a job of them, but that one's a bit gnarly, and that one's pretty terrible, so I don't know what's gone off there, but I suppose really we ought to change them. I don't know how much they are, get some new ones, and obviously best bet, cut them here, and then pop them out each way, I would imagine, but that head's now, we know's right, so we haven't got an issue here. And these are pistons. You can actually see it changing colour where they've heated them up to get, what is it? I mean, probably when Ford did them, they probably had them all banged in an oven, and that will end the story. So, and then that there, obviously, lubrication hose, and they slide about and move like that. So, just a bit of something straightforward. And these are actually the lads that do a lot of machining work for me. Rotherham Engine Services, I think they're actually called by, but they're RAS Engineering Limited. So, and if you look here, they're all got dividers, because they've all got the rings on. So no it's going to bump into anything. I mean, and they're also in a secure box like this, so bottom can't fall out, and you smash a piston, smash a ring, smash something, and cause yourself a load of grief. So just a bit of something, just common sense. Like I said, plenty of, this time of year, as you can see, it's like wet outside, horrible, it's miserable, even workshops wet. You know, plenty of oil around everything. Just help protect it and keep it sweet. So, if you like the video, give us a like. If you want to subscribe to my channel, because it's varied, there's so much, even stuff like this, you'll see both of these engines go together. And pass a comment out you want to know. And if you do need any engineering work doing, well, engine work, these lads know exactly what they're doing. They're not daft, they've got big tank, they've got steamers, they've got everything. There's not much they can't sort out, so there's their number anyway. So, take care, everybody. Bye for now.